So today I'm going to show you how you can create a professional looking 3D book cover to promote your online free guides, lead magnets, stuff like that in just under 2 minutes and for free. So let's dive in and have a look. Okay, so we've got 2 minutes. You want to go to DIYbookcovers.com. You click on book design. Scroll down to 3D mock covers. You don't even need to sign in with an account. Okay, then we'll come to this page. You choose what image you want, so you can have any of those, or you can have any of these. Now, I like the ones where the spine of the book is not showing, so my go-to favorite is this one, or that one, or that one. And on the single books, it would be this one, that one. That one's a hardcover, so you can't see the spine just because you need to upload another picture. So I just don't like to do that. So we will do this one. So we click that. Then we go next. Then you need to upload your JPEG or PNG. So prior to coming on this site, go to somewhere like Canva, create your front book cover for your free download, that whatever you're giving away. So click browse. Upload pictures. One I got for my Instagram cheat sheet. It will load. It should load. Then we're going to click upload. And your picture will show here. 100%. Then click next. Then you just scroll down to the bottom and decide if you want a PNG or a JPEG. I always like a PNG, and then you get no background on it. You click that and it will download to your computer. And it will look like this. Oh, we've got a page missing. There's a fault. There's a fault. That should be there. So it just needs doing again. Doesn't always work first time. If that happens, just reload it, download it again. But you should find we did that in under 2 minutes. So if you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks, and go over and follow me on TikTok, 5-Step Funnels. Catch you later.